Alright, 2003 Camry. When you get in, passenger, please enter. Closing doors, passengers getting in. Alright, grabbing the key here. We all must wear our seatbelt. And the Toyota Camry, this especially a 2003 or any of them, they let you know. I start it. See it blinking? Now I'll put it in gear. It's flashing. There's a passenger. It lets you know. And if your license is revoked, do not get behind the wheel. You know, it's simple. Click, please. Now, we can go for a drive. Legally. You know, or whatever. Light is not on. Engine off. Thank you for watching.